Hello everybody, my name is CyanMayn, and today I'm going to be using Gimp 2 to make some glowing text. If you want to see how to make glowing text, stick around. So, let's begin the tutorial. First, we go to File, and we'll open an image over here. This is something I made ages ago, and I thought it would be great to, make a test on. So, to begin with, come over here to your Layers area, and you're going to want to make a new layer. Now keep your transparency, so usually this will be default, but if this isn't transparent, just make it transparent. Hit OK. Now, come over here to your tool window here, and go over to your fonts. Now, this is usually all set up just fine, because this is how I usually like it, but I am going to change the color to green, I think, like a neon green, because I feel like this would be kind of like some alien activity. Now, just come on down and put really whatever you want. I'm just going to do test because this is a test. Hit enter. Oh, don't hit enter. Just click off it. Okay, change your tool. So right now I am on my move tool. Don't move that. We're going to move this test right here. Now I'm going to come over to my resize tool because I don't like how big this is. So hold down Control and resize it to your desired size. So like so. Hit scale. And now you have test right here. This is pretty cool. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure you have test selected, hit Control C and then Control V, and then you want to come down here to this little green button called Make New Layer, and now you'll have a second test right here. Okay, once you have your second test ready, you will go to filters, I believe, and it is Gaussian blur right here. And you will make this image blurry. I'm going to do super high. You could do like a low blur like that, but I want it to really pop. So hit OK. Now come over here to your layer section, and I want you to bring the bottom one that you did not edit up over the edited glowing one. Now that you've done this, grab your magic tool wand here, or I guess you could just click the actual thing, but just be sure. Magic wand your top text, not your glowing text, and I want you to make that a little darker. This is more of an artistic choice, but I do this because I like to. Like so. Select none, and there you go. Like so. Now, in order to join these together, click your topmost one right here, and you want to merge down a layer. So now when you move the text and edit it, it'll stick together and kind of keep. It's like, I don't know, you wanna rotate your glowing text. You really should alter this before you do this. There, you have glowing text. Boom. If you like the tutorial, you want to see more, or you have any questions, or you want to suggest a tutorial, just, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. Thank you. My name's CyanMayn, and I am leaving now.